The idea for First Breath came from the birth of my daughter, and that was 16 years ago. And it was this amazing moment when your child is born and they take their first breath. There's this huge sense of relief. When that happened to me, I realised that actually there are all these other parents going through the same thing at the same time within a city. And so right now in Manchester, there are 78 births just today, right across the city. And this art project is about celebrating and revealing all those births and bringing them together as a part of this huge light installation, as well as the birth of Factory International. So when the public arrives here, they will be drawn, hopefully, by this huge column of light that I'm standing in front of, and it will be slowly breathing and pulsing 78 times, which is the number of births there are across Greater Manchester each day. And then we have to think about the arrangement, and actually there's something nice about creating these concentric rings that almost act like a kind of maze or a labyrinth to allow people to walk amongst the lights. And as well as this, we've also got a video area where we'll be having messages and images from parents who've just given birth. And so hopefully, yeah, there should be something here for everybody.
We knew that we wanted something that looked really powerful up close once you're kind of within the light, so we wanted something beautiful. But we also knew that we wanted this to be seen from afar, from around Greater Manchester. We really wanted it to be something that created a buzz around the city that people might take photos of, and we've had people that have kind of seen the lights from afar and they've followed the lights all the way down here and then they've enjoyed the experience. The reaction around the city has been incredible. As I walk through the city, I hear people looking up at the sky and they're like, oh, yeah, what's that? Is it aliens? Is it the Batman signal? Yeah, what's going on? Has the moon morphed into something else? So there's been loads of things.
I'm just looking out the window and I could just see this pulsating light in the distance, and I just knew that I had to go and see what it was like in real life.
Yeah, it's very striking, and it looks different in different weather conditions, so it's always different.
It's been incredible, like it's a weird, surreal experience, but quite beautiful and makes me feel quite kind of philosophical in some way.
So I found out about First Breath when I was in hospital, so I registered for it online, but then it was really cool because the night before I was due to be induced, we went down to kind of see it for the first time. It's great to be a part of. What I like about it is it's very Manchester. I always think that Manchester's got kind of its own DNA, like focusing on different things, bringing in new ideas and just doing things a bit differently. That's what we tend to do really well in Manchester, isn't it?